friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then let me introduce myself to you. I am Moitri and I make videos on healthy eating food recipes with their ingredients which can help you to lose your weight, beauty, makeup hacks, product reviews, beauty hacks, DIY, home decor and many more things. So you are interested now to be a part of this journey of mine? So please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button beside that subscribe button and watch this video which is going to follow next till the end. Hit that like button too if you have liked this video. So let's just get started with the video. To lose your weight, you need to eat healthy. But these days due to lockdown, we are very much limited with the options. So each and every of my video focuses on how can you utilize the things which are available at home, and it is very clear that for losing your weight you do not have to eat anything fancy. You just have to eat the things which are available at your home and you have to modify them to a healthier option. That is what I do in each and every of my healthy eating recipes videos, and this also will include that in which I will share two options and that also with the same ingredient, that is cabbage. Two cabbage dishes which are very tasty and at the same time they are fulfilling, and that will help you to lose your weight. So let's just start with the video, and do not forget to comment down below if you have liked it, and follow me on my Instagram handle that is same as that of my YouTube channel named Moitri Sengupta. So let's get it. I have taken half a medium sized cabbage, washed it thoroughly, chopped roughly. Will boil them to use half in recipe 1 and half in recipe 2. So let's just start with recipe 1. So starting with the recipe 1, that is cabbage salad. For that I am taking half of the previously shredded and boiled cabbage. And here are cucumbers, it is coriander leaves, tomatoes, chopped chilies, a little bit of capsicum because I don't like to eat raw capsicum, that's why, and a slice of lemon and some chatpata chaat masala and salt to taste. Let's just mix it. I will take mostly all of the, you should take a little bit bigger bowl. I think I have taken a smaller one. Then I will add all these chopped things over here. So I have added over here everything. So we'll squeeze the lemon with my clean hands. Add some chaat masala, a little bit, not a little bit, more of the chaat masala because I love the tangy taste of the chaat masala, and little bit of salt to taste, and it's done. We have to mix it thoroughly. So I'm doing it off my camera because I'm very bad at mixing and I'll make a mess. That's why. So let me do the jhalmuri wala step of mixing. I love this. Okay, and it's mixed, I think. Yes, it's done. Now time to binge on. Now we will move on to recipe number 2. I have heated my cast iron kadhai. To that I will add a little bit of ghee. If you want you can add butter too, but I am preferring ghee over here. Having 2 tablespoons of ghee every day is really good for your health. To that I will add chopped garlic and ginger. If you are having ginger and garlic paste in your home, you can add that too. We are going to fry everything very well till the color changes to slight goldenish brown, and then we will add our next ingredients. Here comes our next ingredient, that is carrot, which I have diced into small cubes, and capsicum, that also I have chopped into small cubes. You can add any vegetable of your choice that is available in your home. When the carrot and capsicum are half cooked, I am adding cabbage which I had boiled previously along with its water. I am not showing the water here because it contains all the minerals of the cabbage. And half of them I have taken away for the salad and half I am adding here. To thicken the soup of the curry, I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of besan instead of corn flour, and to that I am adding little of lukewarm water. I will mix everything into a smooth paste and add it. To enhance the taste, I am adding a little bit of sambar masala. It is optional. If you don't have, you can just skip it. Meanwhile, the curry is boiling, so I am adding a little bit of black pepper powder. Finally, adding some salt to taste. So everything is cooked well. Hence, we will off the flame and have this super delicious and healthy weight loss cabbage curry. Do you know how healthy cabbage is for our body, as it is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, vitamin A, B, C and K, checks inflammation, lower blood pressure and cholesterol level, keeps our heart healthy, aids in weight loss and improves our digestion. So knowing all the benefits of cabbage, wouldn't you like to have them in your meals from now onwards? Do try both of this and give me a feedback in the comment box below, and soon we are going to meet next. Till then, stay safe, stay at your home, do not go out, and we are going to catch up very soon. Till then, take care, bye.